Number 1. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $6,800, powered by a dependable 3.0L V6 flex fuel engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 151,000 miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered truck has been maintained nicely and still runs and drives great. It features rear-wheel drive with 4x4 capability, giving it solid versatility both on and off the road. The truck drives straight down the road, feels smooth overall, and everything is reported to work properly. The paint still has a nice shine, the body looks clean, and the interior has been kept in good condition with a well-kept appearance throughout the cabin. Inside and out, the truck reflects the care it has received over the years. It also comes with a clean title, making it a solid option for someone looking for a reliable and classic compact pickup that is ready to drive and enjoy. Number 2. 1995 Chevrolet Silverado, price $10,000. Powered by a strong V8 engine and has 200,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, finished in a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior, and runs on gasoline. This rust-free Florida OBS truck features a lowered stance with a professionally C-notched setup, giving it an aggressive and classic look that stands out everywhere it goes. The body is clean and well kept, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a solid cruiser, weekend toy, project truck, or future show build. OBS trucks like this are becoming increasingly difficult to find, especially examples that are rust-free and already sitting right. Its classic styling, dependable V8 power, and eye-catching stance make this Silverado a true head-turner on the road. Number 3. 1992 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,500. This truck is powered by a strong 7.4L 454 SID V8 with a 4x4 drivetrain and automatic transmission. The truck has 213,000 miles on the engine and chassis, while the transmission was professionally rebuilt 13,000 miles ago. Finished in white with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck has been a dependable daily driver since 2012 and still runs and drives strong. It also comes with a matching canopy and service records. The truck does need some work, including ball joints, axles, bearings, power steering pump, a C recharge, windshield repair, and a few interior fixes. Upgrades include a 3-inch lift, Moog steering components, 17x9 Mickey Thompson wheels with Baja MTZ tires, MagnaFlow dual exhaust, tinted windows, KN intake, dual battery wiring, and LED lights. Number 4. 1996 Chevrolet S10, price $5,300. The truck comes equipped with a 4.3L Vortec V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 170,000 miles on it. Finished in blue with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered LS trim model is rear-wheel drive and comes with a clean title. The truck has been garage-kept and covered its entire life, and it shows in the condition. Everything works exactly as it should. It starts right up and drives great with no strange noises or mechanical issues. The interior remains exceptionally clean for its age, while the bed is straight and well kept. The paint still shines nicely, the tires are in good condition, and the underside is very clean. Overall, it is a well-maintained and solid S10 that has clearly been cared for over the years. Number 5. 1967 Chevrolet C20, price $10,000, powered by a dependable 327 V8 engine paired with a desirable 4-speed manual transmission, offering a true classic driving experience. This 3/4-ton pickup is a mostly original first-generation square body truck that has been well preserved and maintained over the years. Finished in a clean white exterior with a striking red interior, the truck has a timeless vintage appearance that stands out wherever it goes. The interior is exceptionally clean and remains in amazing condition, showing the care the truck has received throughout its life. While the paint is not perfect, it still presents nicely and adds to the truck's authentic classic character. It also comes equipped with brand new tires, making it ready to be driven and enjoyed immediately. Number 6. 1999 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,995, comes equipped with a reliable automatic transmission and has 225,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a red exterior with a brown interior, this gasoline-powered 4WD pickup is a solid example of the legendary Tacoma durability that continues to make clean TRD models highly desirable and increasingly valuable. The truck features the sought-after TRD off-road package, for WD capability, an extended cab with jump seats, and a bedliner. It recently received new joint replacements earlier this year, and the interior has been kept clean and well-maintained with seat covers installed. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, making it a practical and dependable daily driver or weekend off-road truck. Like many trucks from this era, it does have some typical rust and could use a basic oil and filter service. Number 7. 1995 Ford F-150, price $5,900, powered by a strong and dependable 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and 2WD drivetrain. With 170,000 miles on the odometer, the truck has been well cared for and has been owned by the same owner since 2011. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, it still presents very nicely for its age and has clearly been kept in good condition over the years. The truck comes equipped with all power options and features a very clean, well-kept interior. The exterior paint still shines nicely, while the wheels and brand new tires give it a great overall stance and appearance. It runs and drives great, offering the classic reliability and sound that these older Ford trucks are known for. Whether used as a dependable daily driver, weekend cruiser, or classic project truck, this F-150 is a solid example of a well-maintained OBS Ford. Number 8. 1995 GMC Sierra, price $10,000, features a strong-running 454 big block paired with a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, making it an incredibly fun and engaging truck to drive. Finished in a brown exterior with a black interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has been built with performance and drivability in mind. The truck comes equipped with a variety of upgrades including a Ford 9-inch rear end, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, dual electric fans, and manual exhaust cutouts. It also carries a Chevrolet grille, adding to its unique appearance. The engine runs very well, the transmission shifts smoothly, and the truck is turnkey ready for cruises, shows, or weekend fun. Number 9. 2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,900, powered by a dependable 5.3L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 208,000 original miles. Finished in green with a clean gray interior, this truck has been regularly maintained and continues to drive excellent. The engine runs strong, the transmission shifts smoothly, and the truck is well equipped for both daily driving and towing needs. It comes loaded with desirable features including power windows, power door locks, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, AM/FM radio, CD player, touchscreen navigation system, and cold air conditioning. The truck also includes a factory-style towing package along with a matching Lear canopy, making it a practical setup for work, travel, or hauling equipment. The exterior remains in very good condition with a clean appearance and nice wheels wrapped in brand new tires all the way around. Number 10. 1983 Dodge D150, price $5,500, powered by a dependable 3.7L 225 cubic inch slant 6 engine paired with the desirable Ram Miser 4-speed manual transmission. This short bed, two-wheel drive truck has only 75,000 miles and features a burgundy exterior with a tan interior, giving it a timeless vintage look. Running on gasoline, it starts easily, runs strong, and drives exceptionally smooth for its age. The truck still wears its original paint, showcasing a nice natural patina throughout that adds plenty of character without taking away from its overall appearance. The cab is rust-free, and the interior remains comfortable, making it an enjoyable cruiser whether around town or on longer highway trips. Overall, this D150 is a clean, honest classic pickup that offers a great combination of originality, drivability, and vintage charm.